Hello friends, good to see you all on another video. Today's topic is very interesting. GST on RCM. A simple view. I don't want to complicate RCM. It is as simple as possible. The important point here is, as per section 24 of the CGST Act, whether your threshold limit is 20 lakhs or 40 lakhs is irrespective. When you have a RCM liability, you need to get registered under GST. That's the first point I would like to stress. RCM generally covered under section 9 subsection 3, section 9 subsection 4, section 9 subsection 5 of CGST Act 2017. With regard to construction, the building promoters kind of a thing, they are necessarily need to buy at least 80% of goods and services relating to their construction work from taxable person. Otherwise, for the difference amount, they need to pay RCM. This is one point we need to look at very seriously. All the builders, because building is now booming today, please understand every month you have to calculate that 80% ratio. Renting of motor vehicles, we are all fully aware there are 2%, 5% as well as 12%. If you charge 5%, there is no RCM is there, 5% there is no GST at ITC, and there is a 12% we need to take ITC. You can take ITC. That's what the two differences in renting of motor vehicles. Do you know that there are RCM for the goods also? You will be surprised to know this, but still I would like to give some of the goods which are liable for RCM. Cashew nut, BD wrappers, tobacco, mentha perinta, silk yarn, raw cotton, supply of lottery, all those things are goods covered under the RCM. Suppose the vehicles are seized by the government and sold as a scrap or whatever it is, as this varies condition, it is liable for RCM. With regard to services, there is a huge list, there is a very big list. GTA, individual advocates, arbitral tribunal, sponsorship services, support services by the government, renting of residential or dwelling properties, transfer of development rights and floor space index, long-term lease over 30 years, payment to company directors, insurance agent service, recovery agent services. You know, the bank recovery agents are there. The bank recovery agent services, copyrights of the composer, photographers or artists, members of overseeing committee constituted by the Reserve Bank of India, direct selling agents of NBFC, DSA, an agent of business correspondent, services of lending securities, services from non-taxable territory to taxable territory. Non-taxable territories other than India, taxable territories India. Security services, unregistered suppliers through electronic commerce operators. All these are squarely covered under the RCM. Just imagine, every month you have to see all these areas before filing your GST or 3B. Either you should not have paid in advances, or you should not have booked any liability, or you should not have accounted and paid. Either one is earlier, you need to pay RCM. Please be beware of this. This is very important provision. Otherwise, you may have to pay more interest at later date. Cumulative liability and interest. Take care of this. You are most welcome to ask any questions, send emails, or call me over phone. We are ready to help you in this regard to analyze this situation. But please be prepared for a huge liability if you don't look at all those areas in your GST or 3B. Hope you could have enjoyed this video. Please send me your comments and views. Do like our channel, click the bell icon, subscribe our channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.